Welcome to Dividend and Conquer, your go-to hub for unraveling the complexities of finance and investment. Today, we're dedicating our time to honor Charlie Munger, a colossus in the investment arena. Approaching his centennial year, Munger's departure is not just a loss, but a celebration of a legacy that forever changed the face of Berkshire Hathaway and echoed across the global financial community. His journey, marked by unparalleled acumen and wisdom, serves as an inspiration to investors and entrepreneurs alike. Join us in this tribute as we uncover the enduring impact of Munger's strategies and insights that continue to shape the world of finance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more enriching and insightful content. Picture this: a visionary who turned a modest textile mill into a whopping $783 billion empire, kind of like turning a lemonade stand into a multinational beverage corporation. That's Charlie Munger for you. Not just Warren Buffett's sidekick, but a superhero in a suit in his own right. His investment savvy? It didn't just climb the charts, it skyrocketed, delivering a jaw-dropping 3.8 million % return to shareholders. It's like hitting a financial home run in a league where a double is considered impressive. But Munger's legacy is more than a bunch of eye-popping numbers. He was the maverick of Wall Street, sprinkling his financial wisdom with a generous dose of humor. Imagine him discussing complex financial issues with the wit of a stand-up comedian, but the brains of a Nobel laureate. His approach to finance wasn't just about making money. It was about making people smile while they learned about making money. In a world where finance can be as dry as overcooked turkey, Munger was the gravy, rich, flavorful, and always hitting the right spot. Recall the time Munger famously slammed Bitcoin as noxious poison, setting off firestorms of debates in every corner of the finance world? That was classic Munger, fearless and forthright. He never hesitated to share his unvarnished views, whether he was critiquing the machinations of the Federal Reserve or outright dismissing the entire concept of cryptocurrencies. It was like watching a seasoned chef boldly critique a new, trendy dish. He had the expertise to back his opinions, and he wasn't afraid to ruffle a few feathers in the process. His candor wasn't just refreshing. It was like a gust of fresh air in the sometimes stuffy room of financial discourse. But Munger's wisdom extended far beyond his bold statements. He was a true philosopher in the world of finance, blending acute insight with a unique perspective on the mechanics and ethics of investing. His approach was like combining the analytical brain of a mathematician with the reflective soul of a poet. His passing signifies not just the end of an era for Berkshire Hathaway, but a monumental shift in the investment landscape. It's as if we've lost a compass in the vast sea of finance, one that guided us through turbulent markets with sage advice and ethical considerations. Munger didn't just understand markets, he understood the human element behind them. His viewpoints often served as a moral and strategic compass, helping investors navigate the complex interplay of profit and principles. His legacy leaves a void that goes beyond numbers and charts. It's about losing a voice that consistently reminded us that investing isn't just a game of numbers, but a field deeply rooted in human behavior and morality. And if you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Dividend and Conquer community for more insightful content like this. Picture yourself at a Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting. The atmosphere is buzzing, thick with the kind of anticipation usually reserved for the season finale of a hit TV show. Then Munger steps onto the stage. It's like watching a financial rock star grab the mic, except instead of a guitar, he's armed with decades of investment wisdom. He begins to talk about the complexities of today's investing world, painting a vivid contrast to the simpler times when he and Buffett began their journey. It's like comparing playing checkers in the park to competing in 4D chess with multiple grandmasters. Munger's anecdotes and insights had the audience hanging on to every word, with the sharpness of his intellect only matched by the occasional wit of his humor. He made dissecting the convoluted financial markets sound like narrating an adventure story, one where every twist and turn was a lesson in economics with a dash of humor for good measure. Investing has undergone a revolution, akin to going from rotary phones to smartphones in just a few decades. Technology has flung open the doors to the stock market, making it as accessible as your favorite streaming service. But with this democratization comes a new level of competition. It's like a game of financial musical chairs, but the chairs are moving targets. And rising interest rates? They're like plot twists in this already gripping financial drama. adding layers of complexity for investors. Munger's advice in this ever-changing landscape? It's simple yet profound. Adapt like a chameleon to the shifting hues of the market and stay informed like a librarian in the world's largest financial library. He urged investors to be as flexible as a gymnast and as sharp as a detective, staying ahead of the game in a market that moves faster than a trending hashtag. But how exactly do we navigate these tumultuous waters that Munger so vividly described? His answer was always rooted in patience and strategic thinking, almost like a master chess player waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Munger believed in the art of waiting for those golden opportunities, the kind that are as rare as a perfect diamond but just as valuable. He preached that it's about quality, not quantity, a philosophy that's about as timeless as a classic novel. This approach is perfectly illustrated in Berkshire's investment in Apple. It wasn't a spur-of-the-moment decision but a strategic move, akin to planting a seed and patiently waiting for it to grow into a mighty oak. This decision wasn't just about recognizing Apple's potential. It was about understanding the timing and the market conditions, blending intuition with analysis. As we delve deeper into Berkshire's investment strategy, we notice a pattern of patient, calculated decisions. It's like a carefully curated art collection, where each piece is chosen for its unique value and potential. From their investment in Apple to their strategic moves into Japanese trading houses, Berkshire's portfolio is a testament to their deep understanding of market dynamics and an uncanny ability to spot unique opportunities in a sea of mediocrity. So what's the key takeaway for investors like us? It's about adopting a mindset of patience and selectivity. We must train ourselves to be like financial snipers, waiting, watching, and ready to act when that once-in-a-decade opportunity presents itself. It's about being as discerning as a gourmet chef choosing ingredients, knowing that the right choice at the right time can lead to spectacular results. In essence, navigating the investment world with a Munger-like approach means developing a keen eye for potential, a deep understanding of market trends, and the wisdom to know when to act. It's about balancing the eagerness to seize opportunities with the patience to wait for the ones that truly matter. As we reflect on Munger's legacy, it's like being reminded to read the instruction manual before trying to assemble a complex piece of furniture. Understanding the fundamentals of investing, according to Munger, is non-negotiable, kind of like knowing the rules of the road before you get behind the wheel of a car. His teachings underscore the wisdom of being patient in a world that moves at breakneck speed, akin to a tortoise calmly navigating a race against hyperactive hares. Munger's approach teaches us that sometimes, in the race of investment, slow and steady can indeed win, or at least not lose disastrously. It's a reminder that in the high-speed chase of the stock market, the pause button is there for a reason, to think, reflect, and then act with purpose. As we near the end of our tribute to Charlie Munger, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your biggest takeaway from Munger's investment philosophy? Drop a comment below and join the conversation. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe to Dividend and Conquer for more compelling content on finance and investing. Until next time, keep conquering the world of dividends.